Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Success Ogudu, your guy. I have a very big news for you guys. I discovered that some of you are into digital marketing and some of you don't know how to register on Amazon Associates, and the right link to use to register, because some fake link are there. But right now I'm going to show you guys the difference between Amazon.com and Amazon Associates. I'll show you the dashboard. You see to yourself. Okay, coming to this angle, you see this is Amazon, the Amazon logo here. This one is where customer purchase product, you cannot make money on this place. If you register here, you just register as a buyer. Let me just tell you guys the truth. If you register with this guy, you register as a buyer, not a seller or an affiliated to them. You cannot be affiliated on Amazon.com. Do well to check this link down below at my description box. Then you will see the link for Amazon Associates. Register and use it and sell their products. And secondly, what are the products that sell fast and you make a very big income for yourself in Amazon? Don't just pick a product and start selling. It is not all products in Amazon that always sell fast. Don't worry, I will show you guys. Those products that you will sell and make a very good income with it. Okay. Right now, we are going to dive into the Amazon Associates. Then I will show you the dashboard and give you the link to register. Okay. What are the products that sell fast? 1. Laptop. Laptop has a high volume of income. Take for instance, let's check this one. When you click on this laptop, you will see how much it's been placed in this Amazon. How much it's been placed here will determine how much you will earn as a commission. Okay, this is $289. This $289, your commission is very big amount of money, up to $60 to $70. Each one, any client, any person purchase anywhere in the world, you make a very big income. Can you see the amount? Of laptop? The second one is what? The second one is phone. iPhone. I mean to say, not iPhone. This case. iPhone Pro Max. Okay. Can you see the amount the iPhone is here? This one is case. This one is $1,200 US. When you click on it, you see how much it will cost and how much you'll be making. Okay. Don't worry. I'll tell you everything and the secret in this Amazon. Number one secret in this Amazon is what? Make sure you verified your account. Once you verify your account, you are good to go. Set up your account. Set everything you need to set for you to make money. You are not doing anything here. You are not doing anything here. Okay, this is one of my book here. This is one of my book. My book is here in Amazon. You can also purchase my book. This is the name, Tips to Become Successful in Life. Okay, you can purchase it. Okay, you can check some of my books. This is me, Success Ogudu. Okay, these are my books. Okay, these are my book. These are my book. This book is highly definition. It's a highly defined. This book is for people who don't know anything in maths. Mathematics is their problem. This is for students, both secondary, primary, and university level. It will guide you to make it in life through mathematics. For you to pass your exam, you must pass your maths before you do anything meaningful in this world. I think you need maths knowledge. Okay, let's jump into our business. Okay, like I said before, the product that sell fast in Amazon is this laptop or this accessory. Books also sell. Okay, books also sell. Let's check best seller. These guys at the top in town that sell their book, best seller. You see, like I said before, books sell faster, and also laptops too. Okay, and iPhone. Those three products, pick one. Once you register in Amazon KDP, your link contain all the products here. I mean all, both the book, laptop, and everything. Okay, let's jump into it. Okay, this is Amazon Associates. This is Amazon Associates. Okay, this, if you click this link and you didn't see this Amazon Associates, you are not in Amazon Associates. Okay, where do you get your link for you to sell their product after registering inside this Amazon Associate? Where do you get your link? Don't worry, I have it all. I have it all. Let me show you. Come to this place. Click test. This is your link. Whomsoever that buy through this link, it will be paid automatically in your wallet. Okay, you will be paid automatically in your wallet. Okay, this is the dashboard, like I said. If you didn't see this Amazon Associates and you didn't see this site Stripe, it means you are inside Amazon.com, the main Amazon. This associate is where you make your money. Okay, I'll be dropping the video for setting account soon. This one, you have to register first. The link is down in my description below. Then register, set up everything you need to set. Okay, alright. My next video, check how to register on this Amazon. I'll be dropping soon. Okay, I'll be dropping how to register and set everything up, but the link is there. The purpose of this video is for you to know the difference between Amazon Associate and Amazon.com. Alright, thank you. Make sure you click the subscribe button, share, also like. More video is coming for you guys. I'm here to help everyone to succeed in this platform. Thank you.